Welcome to Chakra Balancing Meditation. Allow your eyes to comfortably close and come down into your breath, into your body, relaxing your belly and softening your mind. Begin to feel the support beneath you and connect with the ground below. Allow the ground to take your weight. Become aware of the sounds around you. Let them be there. Notice the light and shade, the air touching the surface of your body. Sense the sky above and the horizon stretching all the way around you. The earth below you, supporting you. Allow your mind to empty what is no longer needed to hold on to. Let it go, flow out and away. Allow your body to release what it no longer needs. Let it go, flow out and away. Draw yourself back from where you've been in your day. Draw your energies back home to the center and ground yourself in this moment here. Begin to sense the space around you. Breathe with space and become aware of the rise and fall of your breath. It's coming and going, the sensation, the sound, and the temperature. Breathe down to where the weight of your body rests, below the base of your spine to your root chakra, the chakra of belonging. Breathe into your root and let it soften and gently expand in your breath, taking in nourishment and life force energy. Allow your root to connect down to the ground below, deep into the earth, and invite in the color red, the color of the earth. Bathe your root with red, empowering, embodying, grounding you in the here and now. Let your root take what it needs and say the word, I am here. I have a right to be here as I am, and the earth supports me. When you're ready, allow your awareness to move up to your belly, just below your navel, to your sacral, your chakra of emotional intelligence, choice, creativity, movement, and pleasure. Breathe into your sacral and let it gently soften and expand on your breath, taking in nourishment and life energy force. Invite in the color orange, the color of the setting sun. Bathe your sacral with orange, balancing, empowering, and motivating. Let your sacral be fed and say the words, I honor my needs. I allow myself to be nourished. And when you're ready, move your awareness up to the soft area below your breastbone, to your solar plexus, your chakra of personal power. Breathe into here, allowing your solar plexus to soften and expand on your breath. Invite in the color yellow, the color of sunshine. Bathe your solar plexus with sunshine, replenishing, restoring, nurturing, letting your solar plexus take what it needs. As you say the words, I value myself, I am enough, I am more than enough, I am worth my weight in gold. When you're ready, bring your awareness up to the center of your chest, to your heart, your chakra of self-development and unconditional love. Gently breathe into your heart, letting it soften and expand on your breath. Invite in the color green, the color of spring. Let your heart take what it needs and say the word, I am greatly loved. I am nourished by the power of love. Now move up to your neck, to your throat chakra, your chakra of self-expression and personal will. Allow your throat center to soften, expand, and breathe, inviting in blue, the color of the sky. Breathe sky into your throat center, clearing, opening, softening the need for control, freeing self-expression and creativity. Let your throat take what it needs and say the words, I hear and speak my truth. I express myself freely, and I allow myself to go with the flow of life. Now move your focus up to your third eye, the chakra of wisdom and intuition, gently allowing it to soften, expand, and breathe. Invite in the color of indigo, the velvety color of night sky. Bathe your third eye with indigo, soothing, balancing, bringing clarity, insight, and understanding. Let your third eye take what it needs and say the words, everything is unfolding as it should be. Now move to the top of your head, to your crown, your chakra of oneness. Allow your crown to breathe. And gently invite in a light violet, softly bathing your crown. Balancing, restoring, harmonizing. Let your crown take what it needs and say the words, I am one with the universe. I am one with the whole. When you're ready, come back to yourself as a whole, back to the ebb and the flow of your breath, back to your center. Breathe into your core and say the words, I am whole, I am perfect just as I am. Allow the energy of the words to bathe your body, your mind, your emotions, and your spirit, and take what you need. And in your own time, become aware of the air on the surface of your body, the sounds around you, near and in the future. Begin to close your chakras down a little. Just having the intention is enough. Become aware of the support beneath you. Notice how you feel, and hold yourself with loving kindness for the beautiful, unique being that you are. And when you're ready, you can draw this meditation to a close. Pick up your journal and begin to journal about it. Namaste.